We make gears, sprockets, and pulleys for all kinds of machines. Machines that make paper and cardboard, machines that turn cardboard into all kinds of boxes, like pizza boxes, shipping boxes, cereal boxes, and even boxes large enough to hold a refrigerator. Our gears help machines make aluminum cans, bottles, and all sorts of food packaging machines. Our gears are in meat, dairy, and vegetable canning operations. Our gears help machines make straws, napkins, diapers, hygiene products, and yes, even toilet paper. Our gears are in more places that help make more products than you can imagine. We work with brands you may know of: Caterpillar, Dodge, Disney, and Skittles, to name a few. We worked closely with Harley-Davidson on their electric bike drivetrain. You can almost see our sprocket on the big screen in the Avengers: Age of Ultron. Making gears requires skilled machinists who can read blueprints, reverse engineer old gears, and set up, program, and operate all sorts of CNC equipment. Saws, lathes, mills, grinding, heat treating, and hobbing are just some of the machines a machinist uses daily. It takes many years to be a highly skilled machinist. Attending a local technical college is a great start. Math skills, problem-solving skills, and learning to work with others are extremely important. At Edgerton Gear, we often say we are a mentoring culture because every machinist needs mentoring by those machinists who have come before us. We are always learning as new technologies become available. We are strong believers in the apprenticeship model of education and have helped dozens of machinists over the years to become journeymen. This is a big deal, as Wisconsin journeyman machinists are recognized as some of the best machinists in the world. Did you also know that there is a hiring crisis in manufacturing, as the average age of a skilled machinist is in their late 50s? There are simply not enough young machinists entering our industry to replace an aging workforce. As you can see, working in a machine shop is clean, challenging, highly technical, and pays well. Our modern world would not exist without machinists. Maybe you'll become one of them.